This should be the second video you're watching for Lab 4B after you watched Mr. Sullivan's introduction, and now we're on to data collection. Okay, so now Mrs. Aaron and Miss Lewis are going to collect the data for Lab 4B. We have our lab set up. We have Photogate A and we have Photogate B, and we're going to explain how we collect the trial or the data for our first trial. So we start our car at the beginning of the ramp, and this is set up correctly because the distance between my photo gates A and B is 10 centimeters, and I know that by where they are on the markings of the ramp. So with just my normal release, I will release my car, and as you can see on my data collector, the time it took for the car to go through Photogate A was 0.0122 seconds. For Photogate B, it was 0.0088 seconds. And then the time it took for the car to go from Photogate A to Photogate B is 0.111 seconds. And this is how I would record this in my data table. Don't worry about calculating the speed at Photogate B. We will be making that calculation in class on Tuesday. Now please watch the following demonstration as we collect data for Lab 4B, and please record this data in your lab notebook on page 85. Should look like at the end of watching this lab. Please make sure you have all your values completed prior to Tuesday's class, and we will reconvene with continuing this lab on Tuesday.